The return of the greatest reggae show on earth, Reggae Sumfest, delivered world-class entertainment and performances over the weekend. The festival's Night 1 kicked off on Friday and featured a plethora of dancehall and reggae heavyweights. Patrons were treated to performances from the likes of Shensia, Lali, Ding Dong, Massacre, Governor, and Idonia, among others.
We never ever make friend if they're not with we no worry about them. Blind man can see.
So what you want? Skip your ready there. Swing your one left to right, me know this like a mad then. Beat them like a whipping at me and me not look no friend for them. They hear it top and them see we them not in nothing. Make sure you swing your one there. When they come to you with argument, make sure you run them. I be a live life and make money with not a problem.
All our choices no right. We have a plan, so we know. Hey, you can call the sacrifice. But just once, see mama dance.
One of the night's highlight was dancehall artist Spice, the queen of stage, receiving her crown from Reggae Sumfest producer Joe Bagdanovich, who dubbed her the new queen of dancehall.
Marion Hall was here. That was the queen of the dancehall. How long ago was that? It was a long time ago. And to be able to go on this journey for so long, to make it to where you've made it, good luck for everybody else. Congratulations.
Now, dancehall artist TVJ also delivered during his performance. He brought up surprise guest Dak Fields on stage, who performed his massive hit, Phoenix. Night 1 came to an exceptional close with performances from dancehall newcomers Chashi, Skeng, and Briscoe. Now, the energy for Night 2 was the same. Thousands of patrons are out at the event's venue to witness another exceptional staging of the concert. It featured show-stopping performances from the great Beres Hammond, Diani, Chris Martin, and the Grammy Kid Coffee herself. The night also saw exceptional tribute to popular dancehall producer Dave Kelly. Beenie Man was joined by former rival Bounty Killer, Sham, Frisco Kid, Spragga Benz, Wayne Wonder, and Louis Culture in the tribute to the Madhouse Records boss. Reggae Sumfest made its return after a 2-year hiatus caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.